Hello everyone, back doing the taste test. This here is the avocado, toasted avocado, turkey melt. Mm. Oh man, this is better than sex. Mm. Oh man, I haven't ate all day, but I've been thinking about this for hours. Mm. Oh, oh yeah. I ain't even washed my hands. It's all good though. Look at me. Wash my hands, but a little dirt on the sandwich won't hurt. Ain't nothing like the 3-second rule. You drop some food on the ground, you got 3 seconds to pick it up and eat it. Oh yeah. You got 3 seconds to pick it up. We done that plenty of times when we was kids. Avocado milk. Oh. Man. Where have I been? I've been working. Working. Staying out the way. Working every day. Oh yeah. Working. That's the avocado. What is that? The avocado from Panera Bread. Toasted avocado. Turkey melt. That's my first. Well, this is my first. Well, this is like my third time having this sandwich, but this was my first sandwich. This was my first sandwich from Panera Bread. This was my first sandwich from Panera Bread. When I go there, I usually just get a salad. You know what I mean? I get a salad or something. Yep, I'm working. You know, just spending time with God. Like I always do. Yes. What have you been up to? Huh? What have you been up to? I hope everybody's doing well. Talking to my future subscribers, because I know that y'all are going to subscribe eventually. You know, so I wanted to talk to y'all. I gotta learn how to not be so uptight. You know what I mean? Like, I got a way fun side to me. You know, a cool side to me, you know what I mean? That people really don't know. Like, people don't really, you know what I mean? They just look at me and, like, automatically think I'm, like, some crazy person. You know? I just be cooling. I'm up to about 245 right now. I'm trying to get down. I'm trying to get down to. I'm really trying to get down to like 220, 215, 220. You know, but like I said, this is the only thing I ate all day. This is the thing. This is the only thing I'm gonna be eating all day. Is this right here? Well, I lied. I had a little bowl of cereal this morning when I woke up. I had a little bowl of cereal, and that was it. And then this right here. So, more. Absolutely delicious. Very delicious. Oh yeah. Get that avocado in there. Ooh. Ooh. I don't try to be tough or nothing like that on y'all. You know, I don't try to be tough. I am tough. All the stuff I've been through, a lot of people couldn't go. A lot of people would break. They went through. I went through. I ain't saying I'm the only person that went through stuff, but I've been through a lot. I deserve to be treated respectfully, because I treat people with respect. And that's how I want to be treated. Man, this is absolutely delicious. The bread is just nice and crunchy. And man, it's filling, you know. And it tastes really good. You know? Tastes really good. I can't complain about this. Plus, I like avocado and stuff there. This is it. This is all I'm eating tonight. This is the only thing I'm eating. I know I could probably eat more, but I don't like eating too late at night. That's how you get that gut. You want to get a stomach. Just eat a bunch of stuff before you go to sleep and lay down. I guarantee you, within about a month, you can put on 5-10 pounds. Cause I used to do that a lot. I used to eat and go right to sleep. Like half an hour later, be knocked out. Go right to your stomach. Which I ain't fat. You know what I mean? Cause I'm tall. So I ain't fat. But I don't know. That was pretty good though. That was from